everybody, Paul here. So is there really a difference between genuine OEM drive belts and non-genuine OEM drive belts, or what I like to call counterfeits? Well, stay tuned because that's what I'm going to talk about. You know the old saying, you usually get what you pay for. When it comes to something as important as the drive belts on your car, you certainly do not want to buy something that's not made of superior quality. While the engine is the source of power, the drive belts are used to transfer that power to all sorts of things, such as the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, air conditioner compressor, or maybe even an air pump. Drive belts not only need to be the proper length, width, and shape, but they also need to be strong, durable, and pliable. Non-OEM drive belts are known to fail in all 6 of these areas, as well as having poor power transfer and premature breakage. In many cases, it's very difficult to visually distinguish the difference between a genuine OEM and a non-OEM drive belt. The biggest difference between the two are found in the following areas. Number 1, tension strength. Drive belts are exposed to tremendous stretching and bending during operation. Non-OEM drive belts have much lower tension strength, causing premature breakage. Number 2, heat resistance. Drive belts are exposed to tremendous heat from the running engine. Non-OEM drive belts have much lower heat resistance, causing premature breakage. A broken drive belt will cause the following: leave you stranded on the road, cause difficulty steering due to the power steering pump no longer running, cause a dead battery due to the alternator no longer running, and cause a rise in engine temperature due to the water pump no longer running, which could result in costly engine repairs. So make sure you use only genuine OEM drive belts because there really is a difference. And always be sure to inspect your drive belts for wear. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.